subdivision, like security po pag-serve.
So, ma'am, it is a lawful order coming from the court. Mga security guard po sa subdivision and doon sa bahay, anybody who will prevent us, we will be arresting you for obstruction of justice because there is a warrant of arrest and we will enforce it. Anybody who is on the way, arrestuin po namin.
Sir, kung nakuha ko yung ani, parang nakuha yung ani, sumubukas kay civilians.
Before nangyari po ang anong ito, they are already under surveillance and they are arrested.
Kailan sila na-arrest?
Just today.
Kung sila, sir, security.
Some of them are security, some of them are employees nung what's this, yung sabungan.
Sir, yung siyang nahawak nyo, may isang dating pulis na hindi pa nakuha, at may isa pang pulis, tama?
One is, dismiss kasi yung isa eh.
Okay, dismissed. And the other one,
The other one is police.
pero hindi siya kasama sa restrictive custody, kaya hindi na kasama
Yeah.
Tama?
Yes.
So, ano yung number? Noong...
Master Sergeant po, Master Sergeant.
Sir, for confirmation lang, yung anim na civilian, lahat po yung security officers din natin.
Hindi. Some of them are employees. Basta empleyado niya, Mr. Atong.
Sir, meron ba kayong information kung nasa bansa pa rin si Mr. Atong Out?
He is still in the country, ma'am. He is still in the country. Nagmo-monitor kami sa kanya. He is still in the country. That's why I am asking him to peacefully surrender.
Sir, gano'ng kalawak yung extent na tinitingnan natin dun sa possible whereabouts ni Atong Na? Ito ba ay from Luzon hanggang Mindanao, meron siyang possible location po?
Ano kasi ito eh, it is a very significant case ever since before I took over ng anong ito. The government, the Department of Justice is very interested sa kasong ito, even the National Bureau of Investigation. That's why lahat naman po ng location minomonitor.